The brave little elephant. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a little elephant named Ellie. Ellie was smaller than the other elephants and often felt left out. The bigger elephants would play games that Ellie couldn't join because they said she was too small. One day, while wandering alone near the river, Ellie heard a faint cry. She followed the sound and found a baby monkey trapped under a fallen branch. The monkey was scared and couldn't move. Ellie knew she had to help. Using all her strength, Ellie tried to lift the branch, but it was too heavy. She didn't give up. She remembered what her mother told her. Even the smallest elephant has the biggest heart. Ellie took a deep breath, gathered all her courage, and pushed the branch with all her might. Slowly, the branch moved, and the baby monkey was free. The monkey hugged Ellie and thanked her. News of Ellie's bravery spread throughout the forest. The bigger elephants realized that size didn't matter. What mattered was courage and kindness. From that day on, Ellie was no longer left out.